Did you know cats have zero patience for poorly designed buffets? This orange tabby woke up craving some simple mac and cheese, but apparently needed a physics degree to navigate these sneeze guards. Watch him calculate angles like he's launching a rocket to Mars, just to grab some pasta. Meanwhile, Karen over there is somehow reaching everything with ease. The geometric prison of glass barriers has our furry friend more twisted than a pretzel. All this engineering for what? Lukewarm cafeteria food. I woke up for this.